welcome to my channel. It's first video. On this video, I am gonna show you an experiment about float and sink. But don't forget to subscribe and like. Some of tools that I have prepared and will use are some water that I put in a small aquarium, a few of stones, iron spoons, foam, and of my one of my toys, and I have pen. Let's start the video. Okay, let's start my toys. Oh, that is float. And I have one pen. Oh, that is float too.
Yay!
Yay! And I have put that is sink. And I have foam. Okay, let's try this. Oh, that is float too. And I have three stones. And the last, my thing is stove. Okay, let's try. Oh, that is sink. Okay, that is my video. Thank you. Bye bye.